Holy! Shiba Inu coin news today stated how SHIB analyst research demonstrated how the price of a SHIB can rise to $2. Recent weeks have seen a meteoric rise in the value of Shiba Inu, a meme-based cryptocurrency. At 1.22 million, the total number of SHIB owners is at an all-time high. This record high is the culmination of recent, rapid growth. There's been an increase in whale holdings as well, likely as a result of widespread industry optimism for Shiba Inu following recent price gains. Here, I'll explain why the price of SHIB can rise to $2 in the years ahead. Hello, and thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin, your source for daily Shiba Inu news and information. This is the place to be if you want to learn more about Shiba. If you want to get ahead in the crypto market and be the first to know about breaking SHIB news, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Continuing the SHIB-related narrative, do not forget to turn on. Leave a comment below to be entered into our weekly cash contest. Before we get into the meat of the discussion, let's have a look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is trending on October 2nd. What do you say we go ahead and do that? The lack of bullish momentum and price action on the SHIB USD daily chart trading indicators suggest that the level of 1,120.700 million won will not be easily broken. In addition, the 61.8 FIB level coincides with the current price, suggesting that buyers have been met with significant resistance here. The stochastic RSI is also pointing to a downward retracement in market activity. The faster RSI line appears to abruptly turn to the left, maybe marking its termination. In other words, 81%. After weighing all the evidence, investors should expect the current trend in this market to continue. Prolonged period of decline. The 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is currently around $940. Thus a drop to that level is possible. $700 million. The 4-hour USD data shows that price action suggests this cryptocurrency may consolidate between FIB 61.8 and 78.6. Both of the FIB levels that were indicated earlier have been tried, but the current price has held. The price action has settled into the middle of the sideways channel. The price action here may be bullish given the last candle was bullish. A pause in the increasing momentum. Let us return to our original discussion. The top 500 Ethereum whales have over $157.4 million worth of SHIB tokens, as reported by whale movement tracker Whale Stats. Meme currency has risen to 5.3% of their total portfolio. The same platform also verified that top Ethereum whales added over 600 billion inexpensive tokens to their portfolios yesterday. The revival of enthusiasm among whales is taken as an optimistic sign of the altcoin's potential. However, as we will see in the following section, recent price action has not shown any sign of this. Traders were given a glimmer of hope earlier this week when whale activity began displaying signs of recovery sheaves, and those hopes were justified as the last week's transaction metrics reported solid whale activity. The events of the past 2 days, however, are of great significance. There has been a greater number of transactions involving whales, those valued over $1 million in the last 2 days, than in any other time period over the past 7 days. Even if her price had dropped slightly during the previous day, she was still worth $900 million at press time, according to CoinMarketCap. This did not stop the token from gaining almost 5% in value in a single week. While the weekly rise slowed, Shiba Inu has been gaining traction recently, which has helped it maintain its 10th place among cryptocurrency market capitalization. A closer look at the MVRV graph reveals that trading profits are falling at an alarming rate. Since late August, red signals have dominated the MVRV ratio in the SHIB trading market. By mid-August, SHIB trade should be back on more favorable ground, so this is the time to stock up. The recent high amount of SHIB trading is another concerning trend. Shiba Inu trading volume dropped by about 40% in the last 24 hours, data from Sentiment shows. In light of this, it's possible that the recent increase in whale sightings was really an optical illusion. Kyburn, the Shiba Inu burning webpage, has now updated its information about the token's combustion system. An analysis of the last 7 days' worth of transactions shows that 272,140,724 SHIB tokens have been destroyed across 101 separate events, while still more of the infinite number of SHIB tokens in circulation are being burned. there have been no signs of slowing in the token's volatile price activity. It's looking unlikely that today will be a typical SHIB trading day. The pace of consumption is a vital indicator of whether or not the Shiba Inu will be able to solve the severe supply and demand problem. Shiba Inu dropped 2.22% and quickly became a viral meme coin despite having almost no real worth. You acquired this coin because it had a dog on it and seemed to go rise in value for a laughably small investment of 12 millionths of a dollar. Despite this, you can still acquire a cryptocurrency that has uncapped growth potential. However, there's one major issue. At its inception, there was a large amount of 1 quadrillion tokens available for the cryptocurrency. A digit 1 followed by 15 digit zeros. Just so you have some context, there are currently 122 million ETH in circulation. The maximum number of bitcoins that will ever be created is 21 million. This breed of dog, the Shiba Inu, clearly suffers from an abundance of available specimens. Insanely large numbers, like 1 quadrillion, are difficult to fathom. There's a surplus of Shiba Inus, but not enough people who want them. Therefore, the coin supply has dropped drastically. There isn't much room for growth in price. Consequently, I've reached to the conclusion that there's really just one way to measure the worth of a Shiba Inu: calculating the caloric expenditure of a burn. This measures how quickly Shiba Inu tokens are being spent by users. If you want to maximize your coin's value, a higher burn rate is ideal. Token burning does not signify global celebrations with huge bonfires. If they move tokens to a dead wallet, one whose secret cryptographic keys have been lost, it signifies they are withdrawing them from circulation permanently. Consider the current total number of Shiba Inus available. They could be confused. A total of 589,600,000,000 coins. That sounds like 410.4 trillion coins have been destroyed, but in reality it's just one individual working hard. In 2020, the unidentified founder of Shiba Inu, known as Roshi, gifted roughly half of the supply of Shiba Inu to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, who then burned 410 trillion tokens. Also, it wasn't a breeze to accomplish. There's a fair amount of preparation involved in burning so much useless digital cash. Fortunately, you can find out how many Shiba Inus are being sacrificed each year from publicly accessible sources. It is estimated that 300 million tokens were destroyed in a single 24-hour period during the first week of September. In the month of September, more than 100 million tokens were destroyed. Compared to the daily average in August, the average burn rate has increased by over 138% to 23.67 million Shiba Inu tokens. It seems like everywhere you go these days, somebody is discussing the best technique to burn a Shiba Inu. They have come to terms with the fact that the devaluation of their currency was caused by issuing 1 quadrillion coins at once. If we want to restore equilibrium between supply and demand, we must burn. It makes sense in a straightforward manner. This Shiba Inu fuel needs to be burned down more before it's worth anything. I hope I'm wrong about the future of the Shiba Inu community's cryptocurrency, but it's hard not to view each new initiative as a cunning way to burn tokens and remove them from circulation.